हम लोग थोड़ा वेट करते हैं. आई एम ऑडिबल एवरीवन? Okay, fine. Wait for the 5 minutes, and after that, I'll introduce a one-star girl with you, जो हमको आज फायरलेस एंड टायरलेस कुकिंग सिखाने वाले हैं. तो थोड़ा वेट करते हैं. Many of the people joining now, so we will wait for 5 minutes more. और सब लोगों के फेस पे एक बिग स्माइल होनी चाहिए. विदाउट स्माइल वी कांट डू एनीथिंग इन अवर लाइफ. तो सब लोगों के फेस में एक बड़ा वाला स्माइल होना चाहिए. एंड बी रेडी विथ योर इंग्रेडिएंट्स. रेहा, आप रेडी हो बच्चा?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके फाइन. We will wait for the 5 minutes and after that we will start our तो सब लोगों को पता है आज यहाँ पे सारे इंडिया के मास्टर शेफ इकट्ठा हुए हैं जो सब लोग बहुत प्यारी प्यारी डिश बनाएंगे और अपने पेरेंट्स को अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को बना के खिलाने वाले हैं खुद तो खाएंगे पर उनको भी खिलाएंगे एंड दे ऑल विल एंजॉय योर स्पेशल डिश जो आज आप बनाने वाले हो एंड आई नो यू ऑल आर वेरी मच एक्साइटेड लाइक मी तो हम लोग आज बहुत प्यारी डिलीशियस डिश बनाएंगे भी और खाएंगे भी Okay. Maximum participants already joined in this session. Welcome to all of you, first of all, in this today's session. Today we have a fireless cooking. And हम आप सबको आज का ये सेशन के शेफ बनते हुए देखना चाहते हैं. That's why we have planned this activity. And last Wednesday you all enjoyed the bottle art and उसका hangover अभी तक हमारे दिमाग में चल रहा है and we are so much happy कि all the kids enjoyed very much and with your positive feedback हमको भी motivation मिलता है कि बच्चों के लिए कुछ और नया करे कुछ और नया सोचे तो thank you so much on behalf of Ahmedabad branch and Women's Empowerment Committee. Today we have a session and हम आप kids को जो सिखाने वाले हैं वो है fireless cooking and हमारे पास आज बहुत ही अच्छे फैकल्टी जो आज हमको ये fireless cooking सिखाने वाले हैं और अभी से लेके 1.5 घंटे तक जो हमारे साथ रहने वाले हैं उनका इंट्रोडक्शन मैं देना चाहूंगी जिनका नाम है रेहा शी इज अ 15 years old girl लास्ट भी आपने वृष्टि से बॉटल आर्ट सीखा था एंड यू ऑल एंजॉय अ वेरी लॉट आज भी हम लोग 15 years old गर्ल जिसका नाम है रेहा हम लोग रेहा दीदी से आज ये कुकिंग सीखने वाले हैं शी इज अ पैशनेट अबाउट द कुकिंग सिंस चाइल्डहुड and she is a foodie and loves to explore as many dishes as she can. And उनकी एक खुद की YouTube की चैनल भी है कौन सी चैनल है क्या नाम है क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स लेना है कैसे बनाना है कैसे स्टार्ट करना है ये सब मुझे तो नहीं आता है और उनके लिए मुझे बुलाना पड़ेगा रेहा को तो प्लीज वेलकम विथ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज हम लोग वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म पे ये स्टेज पे रेहा दीदी को बुलाना चाहते हैं रेहा पे स्पॉटलाइट करिए ना प्लीज टीम
Hi everyone. Hi everyone. So today we are going to make hung curd sandwich which is very healthy and also tasty and in a sweet dish we are going to make a chocolate pot. So we are going to start with hung curd sandwich. Hope you all are excited for my dish.
Yes, everyone excited.
So hung curd is when we take curd and put it in a cloth and squeeze all the water out. The thick consistency of curd is called hung curd. Like this. We need the ingredients are half cucumber, half tomato, which should be seedless. No seeds of the tomato should be there. because then it will do water in the mix when it will do water when it's mixed with dahi. We need cabbage, finely chopped cabbage, cheese, green chilies if you want, if you like spicy, and you can add onions or carrot if you like. So you can add carrot, corn, capsicum, onions, whatever vegetable you like, and whatever vegetable is at your home. So let's start. First, we need to take the curd. We have to add half of cucumber in it. First, you all see me, then you can do. I'll give you some time to make it. First, you have to add half of cucumber in it. Then you can add half tomatoes. Cabbage. Green chilies.
Reha,
Yes.
can you please? Yeah, yes, perfect, perfect. I want to say this only, ki please adjust the camera.
Yeah. Mix it properly.
And once again, repeat the all
Yeah, I'll repeat
instructions.
the recipe
Oh,
again.
yeah. Thank
In the curd, you have to add half cucumber, half tomato, which is seedless, cabbage, cheese, uh, tomatoes, cucumber, and whatever vegetable you like onions and carrot and corn and capsicum, whatever you like, you can add and mix it properly.
and it's for all the participant. आपके पास कोई भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स नहीं है तो पैनिक मत होइए, कोई चिंता नहीं करिए। आप खाली इसको ऑब्जर्व करिए, आपके पास जितने इंग्रेडिएंट्स है वो इंग्रेडिएंट्स से भी यू विल मेक अ बेस्ट एंड डिलीशियस सैंडविच। yes perfectly.
You can ask me if you don't have any ingredients, I can tell you an alternative for it. अगर आपके पास कोई इंग्रेडिएंट्स नहीं है, आप मुझे बता सकते हो, मैं आपके उसकी जगह दूसरा कुछ बता सकती हूँ उसमें डालने के लिए. Mix it properly. Now you can do this. No cabbage and the vegetables I added. It's not compulsory. You can add whatever you want. I'll repeat the recipe again in Hindi. Add आधा टमाटर डालो, आधा cucumber, आधा थोड़ा सा पत्ता गोभी एंड चीज. उसको अच्छे से मिक्स कर दो. और आपको अगर ग्रीन चिलीज डालने हैं तो आप वो भी डाल सकते हो. और उसके या तो ग्रीन चिलीज की जगह आप चिली फ्लेक्स भी डाल सकते हो. अभी आपका वो सब मिक्स हो जाए, उसके बाद हमको उसमें चाट मसाला डालना है, हाफ अ टी स्पून. Pepper, half a teaspoon pepper. You have to add like if you have a more amount of dahi, you can add all, and if you have less amount, you can add half the vegetables. Half teaspoon jeera powder, which is cumin powder. Whoever is asking about the chocolate pops, I'll answer it when we are making that. Mix it properly. See, this is the mixture which is made. After you all finish making the mixture, you can just put a thumbs up in the chat box. You have to add all the vegetables in the hung curd. Like take dahi or hung curd, add all the vegetables like cucumber, tomatoes, cabbage. You can add onions, carrot and everything. Then add half a teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon pepper powder, and half a teaspoon cumin powder, which is also called jeera powder. Mix it properly and tell me. We have to add cumin powder and cheese also. Aishwarya, we have to also add cumin powder and cheese in it, the mixture only. Okay, everyone, whenever you are cooking something, you need to taste the mixture or whatever you have cooked. So we can know that if there is more of something or less of something. So now you can taste the things, and if there is less of chaat masala, more of chaat masala, you can add those also. In my also, I have chaat masalas less, so I need to add more. You can also add more chaat masala. See, when we are making a hung curd sandwich, there is already cheese in it, and we have already added the chaat masala, so we don't need to add salt in it. Everyone, I'm repeating the recipe again. Take the hung curd, add vegetables like cabbage, tomatoes, cucumber, corn, then whatever you have at home like onions and carrot, you can add everything in that. Then add half a teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, and mix it properly. You can add cheese also in it. If you don't, it is optional. And after that, everyone has to taste it and then tell me how is it. Divya, you can mix chili flakes, then green chilies, and whatever you need for to make it spicy. I'm going to make two recipes: choco pops and hung curd bread. Everyone done? Now keep this filling aside and bring your 4 slices of bread. You can add mixed herbs and corn. Now we are going to start with the bread portion. You can take, I have this cutter, which is a flower shaped cutter, and I have this katori. You can use a glass also, which has a sharp edge. You can take any shape you have in your house and cut your bread like this. Take 1 slice of bread and cut it like this. Press it so it is a proper shape. Then remove the excess bread like this, so the shape is not spoiled. See, this is my shape. This is my flower shape. See. Now, and you can do it with a katori also. I'm doing one with my katori. Like this. See. This is my circle shape. Do you all have cut the bread in this shapes, whatever shapes you want? Like this, these is 2 bread of circle shaped and this is of flower shaped. You can put the ends of the bread aside. Now take your butter and apply the butter on all 4 pieces of bread. Add butter properly. It should not be a lot also, and it should not be very less also. If there would be a lot of butter, it will not taste good. And if there would be a less butter, the bread will get stiff and crispy. Neevsha, you can put butter, ghee instead of butter. That is also okay. Yeah, all the have you spread butter on all the breads? So now, after spreading the butter, you can put sauce or ketchup or anything on this, and then you can add the filling like this. Only you have to add filling on only two of the bread. One. See, like this. It should be spread like this properly on all edges. Here, I'll repeat the recipe for you. See, take the hung curd, add tomatoes, cucumber, cabbage, carrot, onions, whatever vegetables you have. Add cheese. Add half teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, which is also called jeera powder. Then mix it properly and taste it. If it is good, then you can cut your cut your breads in shapes you want or with a katori and put butter on it, and then you have to put the filling like this and put filling on any two of the breads, not all four. Very good, Veronica. After everyone has spread the the filling on the breads, you can just put. Shlok, what doubt do you have? In Choco Pop, you need a biscuit, crushed biscuit, Oreo or Mari. You need you need chocolate powder, like cocoa powder, condensed milk or milk, plain milk. And for garnishing, you need sprinklers and coconut, or you can take any Hershey syrup, whatever you want. Is everyone done with the sandwiches? See, now whenever you are cooking something, you need a good presentation of it. So if there is a good presentation of the food, the eater of the food will automatically want to eat the food very badly. Like, I have taken a kachka plate and put the sandwiches like this. Then for the top, on the above, you can add. See, when in the flour, I'm adding tomatoes like this. You can see, I'll show you. And in the other one, I'm just making a small cute smiley. See, my plating is done. It's all ready. See, my plating is done. After you all make or finish the sandwich, you must show me the pictures of it. Very nice, Ritika. Beautiful. Trinay, very nice. Beautiful. Anya, Anay, sorry, very nice. Shivin also very pretty. Varnika, very nice. Viro, Viro, 1 minute. Varnika, very pretty. Dhyani, very nice. He, Heth also very nice. Prayer, very nice. Dviti also very nice. Arya, very pretty. Ashmi also very nice. Everyone has made it very pretty. Very nice, Muskan and Mudit. Everyone, it's very pretty. Tanishka Janwar is also very nice. Everyone done? If everyone is done, you can show it to your parents and then taste it and then tell me how is it. Everyone has tasted it? See, now the second recipe is more interesting than this. This was a very nice recipe, but the next recipe is more tastier. Very nice, Ishan Jain. After you all finish the recipe and eating, you put a thumbs up in it, so we'll start the Choco Pop. Now for the next recipe, I'll put this aside and now we are going to make the next recipe. For the next recipe, we need cocoa powder, condensed milk, sprinklers for the sprinklers for garnishing, Hershey's syrup, or any chocolate sauce you have at home, then coconut, grated coconut. And if you don't have coconut, it is all fine. And see, this is crushed Oreo. I have taken Oreo instead of Mari. And this is the packet I have crushed. You can crush a small one or a bigger one than this. I'll give you 5 minutes to crush the Oreos or any biscuit you have, and then we'll start. Crush it. The consistency should be very like it should not have big. It should not have big pieces of Oreos. It should be like this. It should be a proper powder of the Oreo. See, if you don't have condensed milk, you can also use milk, but in a proper proportion, which I'll tell you. And if you don't have Hershey syrup or any chocolate syrup, it is fine. See, the ingredients are, I'm repeating it again in Hindi. हमको कोको पाउडर चाहिए, कंडेंस्ड मिल्क चाहिए. अब कंडेंस्ड मिल्क की जगह आप प्लेन मिल्क ले सकते हो. आप क्रश करा हुआ कोकोनट ले सकते हो. स्प्रिंकलर्स जो आपको गार्निशमेंट के लिए चाहिए. ओरियो है मेरे पास, जो मैंने ओरियो क्रश किया है. आप क्रश कर सकते हो, आपके पास 5-10 मिनट है, आप क्रश करके मुझे दिखाओ. ऐसा ओरियो का पाउडर होना चाहिए. एंड हर्शी सिरप. अगर हर्शी सिरप ना हो तो आप कोई भी चॉकलेट सिरप ले सकते हो, और अगर वो भी ना हो तो चलेगा. अब after everyone crushes it, you show me and then we'll start. Put a thumbs up. It is okay if you don't have cocoa powder. It is okay. You can just add condensed milk in it. Whatever biscuit you have, like Marie or Oreo, whatever biscuit you have, you can do with it with that also. After everyone has crushed the biscuits, you can just tell me. Should we start? I am repeating again. If no one has condensed milk, you can use plain milk also, which you have at home, sugar milk or plain milk, whatever milk you have. Now we'll start. You first see me and then we'll. Huh? No, ma'am, don't start. Okay, I'm waiting. You can do it. You can take your time. Everyone done? If done, then put a thumbs up in the chat box. Then we'll start. Everyone have taken this long packet of Oreo, and if you want to, if you don't understand half cup, You can take 1.25 125 ml of milk or condensed milk. See, this much I have taken Oreo. Everyone, you don't need to remove the Oreo cream inside. You can just crush it with Oreo cream only. I have also crushed it with Oreo cream. Now we'll start. First you see me, then I'll give you some time to do it. Take a half cup of condensed milk or milk. Pour it properly in the Oreo mixture. Mix it properly. Before mixing it, you need to put half a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix it properly. The roti atta which you see at home, the consistency should be like that. I'll show you how. You can crush with any chocolate biscuit or any Marie biscuit, but not the salty one like Monaco. Now, because we need to make it a proper dough of it, we need to put our hands in it and properly mix it. Now you can start with me. Half a teaspoon of cocoa powder. You need to add half a teaspoon of cocoa powder. It is all okay if your hands get dirty, but this is a very nice recipe because it is awesome, and when I cook with my hands, the food is more tastier. My daddy says that. I don't know why. I'll tell my YouTube channel's name afterwards. After this session is over, I'll write it in the chat box. First, you all do this. Yeah, you first have to take the Oreos, then you have to add a half cup of condensed milk or plain milk, and then you have to add a half a tablespoon of cocoa powder in it. Mix it properly till the consistency of atta is there. Everyone, after making it, to come and wash your hands and come back. Everyone done? Just show me your cup like this so I can see your consistency. Very perfect, Varnika. Everyone, it is perfect. Now, see, I have melted butter here. You can all see this is my melted butter. You can take melted butter in your hands. You can take melted butter, or you can just take the butter which is on room temperature in your hands and rub it properly so the stuffing does not stick to your hands. Now take the stuffing like this and roll it. Roll it like this properly, like a circle shape. See, this is a proper circle I have. After that, you have to make all the balls of how many balls it makes of this. How many any amount of balls which are made, it's okay. See, like this. This is the chocolate ball. Muskan and Mudit, can you show me your consistency? Yeah, this is perfect. But because it is sticking to your hands, you told me, you can just put butter like this and then scrub it in your hands and then make the ball. So it will not stick to your hand. Show me your balls after it's ready. You have to just start making the balls of it. It's not needed to put it in the fridge. If your batter is a bit light, you can add crushed biscuits in it. You can add ghee to your hands if you don't have butter. It is no problem if your dough is sticking to your hand. You can just add butter to or ghee to it and properly mix it like this. You can make the balls of whatever size you want, but it should be probably medium. Everyone, is my voice coming? Is it audible? Just show me a thumbs up like this if it is audible. Very nice, Muskan and Mudit. Everyone, after making the balls, show me. Everyone, see my balls are ready. Now, after this, take your Hershey's syrup and take a spoon or a fork. Put the ball in the Hershey syrup and roll it over it. Take your sprinklers or whatever you have, put it in a plate. Put it in a plate like this. See, like this. Then put your ball in the sprinklers and coat it. Now take a toothpick and poke it in like this, and it is ready. You can put this after sprinkling all the balls. You can put it in the fridge for 2 minutes. I'm also taking coconut for the marination, for the coating. Add a toothpick to this also, and this is also ready. You can coat your the balls with anything and everything you like. I coated one with sprinklers, one with coconut, and I'm coating one with biscoff, which is one type of biscuit. The last coating thing which I added, it was biscoff. It is one type of biscuit which is made of coconut and cinnamon powder. See, I'll repeat again. After your dough is made, make it into small balls like this. Make it into small balls like this. Then put your ball into Hershey's syrup. Mix it properly, or you can take any chocolate liquid or milk you want. Then properly get it all coated on it. Then take the ball and put whatever you want on it. I added biscoff, coconut, and sprinklers. Nilakshi, what is the problem you are facing? The brown powder which I added, it was Lotus Biscoff, which is made of coconut and coconut and cinnamon powder. Everyone, see my pops are ready. No, निकलना. See, you have to put the toothpicks like this on the Choco Pops. See, I have also added the tooth.
सब लोग अपना अपना जिन जिन लोगों ने जो बनाया है वो डिश का फोटो दीदी के साथ भी शेयर करिए और अपने ग्रुप्स में भी शेयर करना.
Everyone, very nice. It is made very nice. अभी आप सब एक एक चख के मुझे बताओ कैसा बना है. And you were asking my YouTube channel's name. I have shared my YouTube channel's name in the chat box. You can just go and subscribe if you like. Very nice, everyone. It looks very beautiful. Very nice. So, bolo biju su.
It's simply tasty, yummy, yummy. Okay. Reha, thank you so much. On behalf of Ahmedabad branch, on behalf of our committee, on behalf of all kids, on behalf of parents also.
Thank
सब
you.
बच्चों ने सुबह का सेशन भी इतना एंजॉय किया था, शाम का सेशन भी इतना एंजॉय किया है. एंड एक चीज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूंगी.
Yes.
We have a one WhatsApp group. ये सारे किड्स का नंबर्स उसमें ऐड है.
Yeah.
उसमें आज ऐसे मैसेज आए अभी कि जो बच्चे लोग 9 years बिलो थे, मतलब सुबह वाली बैच, तो हमने खाली एक रेसिपी सिखाई, दूसरी वाली उनके लिए नहीं थी. तो सब पेरेंट्स ने वो रेसिपी, अभी जो आपने ये वाली रेसिपी बनाई चोको पॉप, उनका वीडियो मांगा है कि दे ऑल किड्स वांट टू मेक दिस अनदर रेसिपी आल्सो एट होम. So it's a very great response from all the parents and all the kids. So thank you so much. सारे kids ने भी बहुत enjoy किया. And
thank you for giving me the opportunity to teach the students, like children.
You were very nice in explaining all the things. बहुत शांति से और बहुत पेशेंस रख के ये सबको बताना पड़ता है. एंड यू आर बीइंग अ चाइल्ड, हम तो ये सब कर लेते. यू आर बीइंग अ चाइल्ड डिड द वेरी गुड एंड वेरी नाइसली डन योर जॉब. उसके लिए आपके लिए जोरदार तालियां. सब बच्चों को भी थैंक यू सो मच. सबने इतना अच्छा साथ दिया. आज सब लोग शेफ बन गए अपने अपने घर के. आशा करते हैं ये रेसिपी आप अपने पेरेंट्स को खिलाओगे और आपके पेरेंट्स बहुत खुश हो जाएंगे. एंड रेहा, आपसे हम दोबारा मिल सके, दोबारा ऐसी अच्छी रेसिपी बनाए और खाए, वैसे होप के साथ. बाय बाय एवरीवन. एंजॉय योर डे, एंजॉय योर फूड, एंजॉय योर रेसिपी. और ऐसे खुद ब खुद अपने आप कुछ ना कुछ नया ट्राई करना, घर पे कुछ बनाना. रेहा, आप कुछ बताना चाहते हो तो अभी बता सकते हो.
थैंक यू एवरीवन. आपने कोऑपरेट किया और अच्छे से आपने खाना बनाया, और आपको सब अप्रिशिएट भी करेंगे, मुझे भी करेंगे, क्योंकि आपने किया इसलिए मुझे अप्रिसिएशन मिला. थैंक यू
बच्चा पार्टी. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में.